how to connect USB flash drive on your MacBook. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The latest version of MacBook only has USB-C ports, so if your flash drive is USB-A, you will need a USB-C to USB-C-A adapter. So plug your flash drive into the adapter and then into your Mac. Once it's connected, go ahead and open Finder and you should see the USB drive listed in the sidebar under Locations. Tap on it to view your files. You can now drag and drop files between your Mac and the USB. You can also open documents, play videos, or copy items just like any other folder. When you are done, don't just unplug it. Right-click the USB drive in Finder and choose Eject, or tap on the eject icon and wait until it disappears and then only unplug your drive. And this is how you can set your USB flash drive on MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.